la la, yeah.
Would you want me down?
La la la.
Just tell me right now. Just would you want me down?
I'm down.
What's up, YouTube? It's your girl Zane Simone. Welcome back, welcome back. If you're returning, you already know you're a real one. If you're new, hey, what's up? Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe and join us because we litty over here, okay? Period. To review these Fenty skincare products because I have been using it and I just wanted to update you guys on it. So I'm gonna start my morning facial cleaning with this total cleanser. So this is really good for when you're taking off your makeup and stuff like that. So we're gonna go ahead and get started. So the way I start with this is I wet my face. And I only take a small amount, just like that. And go in. So get it all in there. Then I rinse it out with warm water. So already, as you can see, look how fresh and clean my face looks after I just washed it with a total cleanser. So the directions for this reads: use day and night to remove makeup, dirt, and any impurities. Wet skin, work into a lather. Rinse for external use only. Use as directed. So that product you're supposed to use day and night, twice a day. Okay, you guys, I'm gonna take my handy dandy cotton pads. I'm gonna take my fat water and use it as instructed. Use day and night on clean skin. Apply over face with fingers or a cotton pad for external use. So now when applying this, I honestly feel like I have to go back and put more, but let's just start now. See, usually by the time I'm done wiping my forehead, I feel like I need to apply more on the pad. So look at that. That's coming off my face. Use another cotton pad. So I applied another good amount. You can see. So yeah, I got a good amount on there. So what I do like about this is that it's only a one-step water process. So after you're done with the first total cleanser, you just go ahead and move on to the next thing. So that was that step. Now always after this step, my face always feels dry, so that's when this moisturizer come into play. So this is the Hydra Vizor. I like this. Like, this is really good. I've been using it. I don't like to put just any type of moisturizer on my face, so I'm just gonna go ahead and take a little bit. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and put this much on my face. And there we have it. We have a washed face using Fenty skincare products. Now you guys saw me from when I first wake up. You guys see me now. It looks like I got a little glow going on. It looks like my morning face routine has wakened me up. So yeah, I've been using these Fenty skincare products for a little while. You see, the thing is, I don't know if I would buy it again because, as you can see, these are the sample products. I really would buy this again. I highly do recommend the Hydra Vizor. It is really good. It's an invisible moisturizer. So it also has sunscreen inside of it. So yeah, I don't think I would honestly buy these products again, but I definitely would buy this. I just feel like I need something a little bit more oomph. I don't know what it is, but yeah. Okay guys, so thanks for watching. I hope this video was very helpful for you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.